There are three boxes containing respectively 1 white, 2 red, 3 black balls. 2 white, 3 red, 1 black balls. 3 white, 1 red, 2 black balls. A box is chosen at random. From it, 2 balls are drawn at random. The 2 balls are 1 red and 1 white. What is the probability that they came from second box? So this is Bayes theorem. It is come from second box. Okay. Now in this problem, the boxes you take it as like this. First box you take it as A1. Second box you take it as A2. Third box you take it as A3. Okay, in the first box there are 1 white ball, okay, 2 red balls, 3 black balls. And the second box containing 2 white balls, 3 red balls, 1 black ball. Okay, and third box containing 3 white balls, 1 red ball and 2 black balls. Okay, so we have to choose randomly one box. So probability of choosing boxes is P of A1 is 1 by 3 because there are 3 boxes. We are choosing one. First box is 1 by 3. P of A2, choosing the second box, is also 1 by 3 because out of 3 boxes we are choosing the second one. P of A3 is also 1 by 3. Okay, and now here I am going to take B. Here B is the 2 balls are 1 red, 1 white balls. Okay, so B is the event of choosing 2 balls which are 1 red ball and 1 white ball. So this is very important one. B is the event of choosing 2 balls, 1 red and 1 white. Okay, this is come from first box. What is the probability? Probability of this event is come from the first box is, okay, so probability of choosing 1 white ball, 1 red ball, 1 red ball, 1 white ball from A1. What is the probability? It is from A1. Okay, listen carefully. So I want to find out 1 red ball, 1 white ball from the box A1. Okay, in the box A1, totally 6 balls. From the 6 ball, I am going to choose 2 balls. Okay, in the 2 ball, 1 red ball. Okay, how many red balls here? 2 red ball. So from 2 I am going to choose 1, 2C1. Out of 2 red ball, I want to choose 1 red ball. So 2C1 into, I want to choose 1 white ball. How many white balls here? Only 1 white ball. So 1C1. So this is P of B given A1. You can simplify. 2C1 is 2, 1C1 is 1, 6 to C, 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. Cancel this 3 so that 2 by 15. Cancel 3, 3 5s are 15. So this is 2 by 15. And similarly here I am going to find out P of B given A2. What is that? How many balls are there? 5 plus 1, 6. 6C2. Okay, from 6 balls, I want to find out 1 red ball. How many red balls are there? 3 red balls. So 3C1 into 1 white ball. How many white balls? 2 white balls. So 2C1. So simplify. 3C1 is 3, 2C1 is 2 by 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. This is 6c2. Cancel this 3. Okay, and 3 also cancel, so 2 by 5. So you don't cancel this. So 6 by 15. 6 by 15. Try to make all are having same denominator. Okay, so cancel this 3 into 5 15. So 6 by 15. This is P of B given A2. Next, what is P of B given A3? In A3, how many balls? 3 plus 1, 4, 4, 6. Out of 6, I am going to take 2 balls. In the 2 ball, 1 red ball. How many red ball? 1 red ball. 1C1 into, I want 1 white ball. How many white balls? 3 white balls. So 3C1. Okay, simplify. 1 into 3 by 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. So this is 6C2. Cancel this 3. 3 5s are 15. So 3 by 15. Okay. So now here I want to find out P of B. P of B. Okay. So what is P of B? P of A1 into P of B given A1. P of A2 into P of B given A2. P of A3 into P of B given A3. Okay, so P of A1 is 1 by 3 into P of B given A1. B given A1 is 2 by 15. 2 by 15 plus P of A2 is 1 by 3 into P of B given A2 is 6 by 15 plus P of A3 is 1 by 3 into B given A3 is 3 by 15. Okay, all are having same denominator. 15 into 3, 45. In numerator, 1 into 2, 2, plus 1 into 6, 6, 1 into 3, 3. So this is 11 by 45. So this is total probability P of B, 11 by 45. So here the question is, what is the probability that they came from means what? Our choosing item, 1 red ball, 1 white ball, came from second box. So this is Bayes theorem. What is Bayes theorem? P of the event B came from the second box. So that the second box produces the B event is the formula P of A2 into, change these two, P of B given A2 whole divided by sum of all the boxes, P of A1 into P of B given A1 plus P of A2 into P of B given A2 plus P of A3 into P of B given A3. Okay, so now P of A2 is 1 by 3 and P of B given A2. What is B given A2? P of B given A2 is 6 by 15. 6 by 15 whole divided by, this is already we found, the summation value is 11 by 45. Okay, so in the numerator 6 by 45 into, take in the numerator 45 by 11. So cancel 45, 6 by 11 is the answer of the problem.